And I'm going to give you this maps so that you can practice this. Right. Go to your sheet, and you can see here that state is a globe. So that means that this is going to be a map. So you just double click on the globe. State. And you've got the map come up. And then in marks, if you go to marks and change that to map as well. And let's just move our map to the middle. Okay. Now, go to analysis, go to calculated field. And we're going to change this to, let's say, percent. We're going to give it a name, percent. And then down here, we're going to write our formula. So our formula, we have to be very, very careful how we write it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it in brackets. So we're going to open up our first bracket, then square bracket, and in the square bracket, order 2024, close the bracket, minus, open bracket, and then it's orders 2023, then close the bracket, and then I noticed at the bottom it says the calculation is valid. Okay, we've done that, and then we need to divide that, and then in brackets, and then order, then let's say orders 23, then close the bracket, and it tells you calculation is valid. Close bracket on this side, multiply by 100, and notice at the bottom it says calculation is valid. Click OK. So this is our percent here. And what we can do is we drag this to color. And then if we want to see the names of the states, we can go to state, drag that into label, and it will give us the names of the states. We can make it a little bit bigger, like this. And we can then change the color as well if we want to. But as you can see here, it's showing us the change in order. So South Dakota, their orders have actually gone down by 2.25%. Wyoming even more. But Oklahoma, it's got the orders up by 11.77%.